Hey y'all, I am Big Boss Vette and this is Get Ready With Me. Okay y'all, so today you all will be watching me build a bad bitch or whatever, and I'm just gonna show y'all what I do, and whatever I do is like not that expensive, so the girls that get it, get it. What I do first is I go in with my primer, and my primer came from Ulta. Next, as y'all can tell, I don't have eyebrows, but we're gonna draw some today, so that's all that matters. We gotta do the concealer. And now I just bring my concealer down because you don't want that bold line just sitting up under your eye. I used to skip that step and just try to blend in my makeup, and y'all, boy, I was looking like a clown or something. It was not. And nobody told me, not even my girlfriend. She was just letting me walk around looking like that. So you see how that one is bold and that one is not? That's kind of what you want to do with the spoolie. Yeah, that's what it's called. Oh, I know some makeup terms, y'all. Okay. And then, now that we're done with these eyebrows, we move on to the foundation. So I use Fit Me, and this mug is like really cheap. So this right here, honestly speaking, it's kind of ghetto. So I got this from on top of a candle, and I use it for like, it's like a little thing that people put their makeup on and like mix it together. That's literally what this is. But it's from a candle, cheap. So there, I see I use my palette right here. I stir it up and literally just put it on my face everywhere. And if you got baby hair, you gotta learn how to like maneuver around it like I did, cause y'all, you don't wanna clump up makeup in your baby hair. It's very hard. Like, after a while, your baby hair starts to hate you. My brush came from Ulta. This is my setting mist. You know, I'll be using this before I start blending. I think it blends my makeup a little bit better than just a dry brush. To activate my sponge, I use water, y'all. You just literally blend. And you can get your neck too. Yeah, I remember one day I did my makeup and forgot to put makeup up on my neck. I looked at like two different people. Like, y'all understand what I'm saying. It was two different people. It was horrible. But it's okay, because you know, you gotta learn from stuff like that. You gotta actually mess yourself up a couple times to know what you're doing. And I messed myself up a lot, not even gonna lie. So now I go in with my concealer again. And this time you wanna conceal up under your eyes. I go in with the light one first. I like when people be having like the little light look on their nose. So we want to blend a little bit. Well, a lot of it, not a little bit, a lot. You don't want this part to be way too freaking bright when you got like flashes and cameras all on you and stuff. I could literally be my own glam squad. The only thing I don't know how to do for myself is my nails. Y'all, it be looking like, no. Now, after that, I go in with my Banana Deep setting powder, and I'm gonna do it with my sponge. And you want to be really careful with this stuff because it literally gets any and everywhere. I'm gonna go to the brush, you know, you just tap it in, and as I leave the setting powder on, I literally go in with this contour of Juvia's Place. I got this from Ulta to just, you know, bring out my cheekbones a little bit more. I just like the boldness that it gives. I can use my Gender palette, y'all. Here they are. Okay, I'm so excited about this. Yes. All right. I'm here for it. So then you want to give it a little bit of cheek action. So when you smile, you be going to. So you may want to smile to help yourself out. We're going to go in with like a neutral looking brown. It gives just, you know, nice, calm, subtle, but still like a little pop, y'all. So after that, I go in with my Morphe setting mist, so. And then we go in with the NYX setting mist. These lips are kind of a trust the process thing. It's just boom. Now, I know I might get like a lot of backlash, and y'all might be in like the comments like, that ain't what you do, that ain't what you use. I use hair glue to put my lashes on because I don't like eyelash glue. Dude, I did. Okay, that was so exciting to me because, y'all, when I say these nails are hard to do this stuff, they're hard. That completes the face, okay? Now we can finally move on. Take the ponytail out. Yeah, I've been wearing some good hair though. Like, no matter what I don't spend on makeup, my hair, oh, it's different, okay? Now, we're just gonna brush it through, okay? Because like I said, the hair is gonna give. It's gonna give before the flat irons even touches it. Now, everyone have their wig installed differently or whatever, but me, when I get my wig installed, I just get like the front glue down and the back always up because I be itching, so I be like under there scratching. But don't tell nobody, won't nobody know, right? No one's gonna know, cause how would they know? So if y'all be having wigs and y'all wigs be itching, it's because you gotta sew down. Lift it up. You don't need that part sewed, y'all. Don't tell them I told you. And I think saying that kind of makes it a little better too. Like, who's gonna know how would they know? You feel better hearing that anyway. So we're gonna use our brush though. We're gonna kind of like chase the brush with the flat iron. It gets it straighter. And boom, straight. Literally, this hair is so easy to maintain, y'all. And I got really good flat irons. My flat irons came from Ulta. These kind of expensive, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, but they're good. I'm not even gonna fake it. They're good. And I've had Walmart ones, TJ Maxx ones, Marshall ones, and I promise the Ulta ones is just different. I'm not even gonna lie. The things that make sense to spend money on, we're gonna spend money on. And the only thing that makes sense is like hair and flat irons and crab legs. That's it. Other than that, no. So I have the press to comb that you plug up because the one that you put on the stove is way too hot and I'm way too clumsy. Cause like y'all, one time I straight burnt a hole in one of my wigs. Like, but of course we covered it up because who's gonna know how would they know? But still, it still happens. So that means it gets really hot. All right, y'all see the hair? You know, it's giving, you know. You see the makeup, you know, it's giving. And this have been, you know, the whole makeup and hair segment. So I just want to say thank you to GENDR for providing these, you know, bomb looks that I have today. Every outfit needs, you know, a pair of bomb ass shoes. So, you know, complete the look. So thank you to GENDR for my new shoes. Thanks for getting ready with me.